but the network cannot permit me. That's the reason why I cannot even go live for you guys to see. But this is ranch. You understand? This is the ranch. This is ranch this morning. Understand? This is ranch this morning. This is ranch. This is the mini golf course. This is the mini golf here. This is the mini golf that has been renovated by the special advisor, Mr. Michael Sunday. This is the mini golf. Yes. The weather is too bad. You can't see it clear. That's the problem. Understand? I would love you to see the clear pictures of everything, but the weather can't permit me. The weather can't permit me to show you the clear picture of what is going on here. But this is the mini golf. Looking so decent, clean. You understand? So many things are going on here. So many transformations are going on here. Well, this is the mini golf. I could have loved to go to so many places this morning for you guys to see by yourself. But my brother, I can't lie. The weather is here. The weather here, you can't see these things clear this right now. Even my camera, even my phone is freezing. I'm telling you the truth. When they get too cold, if I want to go live, I'll just get a message that the weather is not conducive for me to go live. Understand? It just end because of the situation of things here. This is the play area golf. This is what I cannot see other buildings here. This is the ranch.